Look at the question, the largest number of molecules in IIT 1979. So, largest number of molecules depends on the number of moles. Calculated from option A, number of moles of water is equal to 36 and molecular weight of water is 18. So, 2 moles. And in option B, 28 grams of CO. So, number of moles of CO is 28 and molecular weight of CO 12 plus 16 28. So, again it is 1. And the option C, 46 grams of ethyl alcohol. Number of ethyl alcohol is equal to, so 46 by molecular weight of ethyl alcohol 2 into 12 24 plus 9 24 plus 5 29 29 plus 17 29 plus 17 is 46. It is again one more. And the option D, if you see, 54 grams of N2O5. So moles of N2O5 is equal to 54 by molecular weight of N2O5 2 into 14 plus 5 into 16. It is around 108. So 108. So 1 by 2 moles. So more number of moles, more number of particles. Moles, particles are directly proportional to number of moles. So here what is the option? Option A is correct. The question is number of electrons in one molecular form of carbon dioxide. Here if you take carbon dioxide, number of electrons in carbon is nothing but atomic number. So 6, and atomic number of oxygen is 8. So 8 into 2. So 6 plus 16 22. So answer is A. The question is an isotope of germanium 32 and 76. Here we should know isotope means, isotope is simply same atomic number and different mass numbers. So atomic number is the same, means germanium 32 and 77 and germanium 32 and 76 are isotopes to each other. So answer is A. Solution is one that contains 1 mole of solute in. So generally what is the molarity formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution. 1 liter of a solution. So 1 liter of a solution. So answer is option. The question is normality of 0.3 molar phosphorus acid. Formula also given. So normality, but the given thing is 0.3 molar. Between normality to the molarity. So normality capital N is equal to molarity into N factor. N factor in the sense number of hydrogen ions transferred in a particular acid. Coming to the H3PO3, H3PO3 has a structure P double bond O and one OH, another OH. One H is directly connected to the P. So in this acid we can replace this hydrogen and this hydrogen also, but we cannot replace this hydrogen. So two hydrogens we can replace. So N factor is 2. So normality become 0.3 molarity is given into 2 hydrogens are replaced into 2. So 0.6 is answer. Answer D is correct. The question is at 100 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere, if the density of a liquid water is 1.0 gram centimeter cube and that of water vapor is 0.006 gram per centimeter cube, then the volume occupied by water molecule in 1 liter of steam at this temperature. So here two densities is given. One is water vapor, another one is liquid water. Coming to the water vapor density is equal to mass by volume with respect to water vapor. Density is equal to mass by volume. What is the density is given? 0.0006 and mass by volume. Volume what they asked in 1 liter. So volume we can take 1000 ml means gram per centimeter cube. Now mass is equal to 0.6 grams. So this is at water vapor. Take water in liquid state. Now this is D is equal to again mass by volume. So what is the density of liquid water is given 1 and mass is what is required. They are asking the volume occupied, so V. So now V is equal to 0.6 by 1, so 0.6. So what is 0.6? 0.6 centimeter cube. So answer is option C. So is given that the abundances of isotopes 54 iron, 56 iron and 57 iron is 5%, 90% and 5% respectively. The atomic mass of iron. So here percentage or we can say average atomic mass or atomic mass of iron is equal to percentage of isotope 1 and its atomic mass of isotope 1 plus percentage of isotope 2 into its atomic mass plus percentage of isotope 3 into its atomic mass by the total percentage is 100. Isotope of 1 is 5% and its atomic mass is 54 plus percentage of abundance of isotope 2 is 90%. So 90 into atomic mass is 56 plus percentage abundance of isotope 3 again 5% into atomic mass is 57 by 100. So if you do this calculation you will get 55.95. So answer is B. The question is dissolving 120 grams of urea as to molecular weight 60 in 100 grams of water gave a solution of a density 1.15 gram per milliliter. The molarity of the solution. So first of all they are asking molarity. So what is we need to calculate means molarity we need to calculate, and what is given molecular weight is given and 120 grams of urea is given. First of all from that density is equal to mass by volume and volume is equal to mass by density. Here mass is 120 grams of urea plus what is the weight of water is given 1000, so 1000 by what is the density is given 1.15. This is what volume of the solution in ml. So what we can write it is completely 120 plus 1000, so 1120 by 1.15. Now molarity capital M is equal to weight of a solute by molecular weight of a solute into 1000 by V, volume of the solution in ml. So what is weight of the solute is given here. Solute is urea, 120 grams of urea and molecular weight of urea is 60 into 1000 by volume of the solution. What is the volume of the solution is 1120 by 1.13. Capital M is equal to 0.25 molar. So answer is C. Here we have a question. The value of N in the molecular formula BaNAl2Si6O18 is. So here they give an integer type question in advanced model. So they ask to calculate N. So in this case RHS, what should we do is molecule is in the neutral form, so that we can equate the charge or the oxidation states of this molecule is equal to 0. Oxidation state is nothing but the charge left on a molecule or an atom after removing all the connected atoms in the form of their ionic form. So here coming to the point BeN Al2Si6O18. Let valency of beryllium is 2. So how many nitrogen beryllium atoms we don't know. So 2N plus aluminum valency is 3 you can know, and how many atoms are there? 2. So 2 into 3 plus silicon valency is 4. How many atoms are there? Into 6 plus oxygen valence we can say means standard oxidation state, so minus 2 into 18 is equal to 0, so now 2n plus 6 plus 24 minus 36 is equal to 6, n is equal to 3, so answer n is 3. So this the molecular formula of a commercial resin which is used for the exchange of ions in water softening is C8H7SO3Na. Molecular weight is also given 206. What would be the maximum uptake of Ca plus ions by the resin? So how much Ca plus 2 ions uptake by the resin when it is expressed in mole per gram? So here if this softening means resin can exchange Na valency is plus 1 but it is plus 2. So two molecules are exchanged for one Ca plus 2 ion. So what I can write means 2 moles of C8H7SO3Na is equivalent of 1 mole of Ca plus 2, and they are asking also the question expressed in moles per gram, and 2 moles of C8H7SO3Na. What is the molecular weight of this compound? It is given in 206. So 2 into 206 grams of C8H7SO3Na is equal to 1 mole of Ca plus 2. 1 mole of Ca plus 2. And they are asking in mole per gram. So here 26 grams. So per 1 gram it is equal to 1 by 206 into 2. It is again 412 mole. So what is the gram per mole resin is 1 by 412 gram per mole. So answer is option D. Thanks for watching.